Shocking truth about trading Forex that will blow your mind. Can I make money by trading Forex for the long term? For saving money or investment purposes? Can I turn 10,000 US dollar into 1,158,000 US dollar? Or 10,000 US dollar into 12,048,000 US dollar? Yes, you can do that. Watch this video until the end and you will know the answer. Okay, traders, let me introduce myself that my mother language is not English. That's why my English is very bad. Maybe you don't quite understand. My pronunciation is not very good. Maybe my using of words or structure is not very good. Maybe there is a lot of mistakes, but I will try my best to explain everything to you with a simple method, with my simple English. I hope you can understand what I am saying. And please turn on the subtitle, English subtitle, so you can read what I am talking about without any mistake. And once again, I want to apologize to you all about my bad English. I hope you can understand my all videos about trading Forex. And I hope you can get a lot of things that will help you to improve your trading journey. And I want to introduce again that my name is Marco. I am a Forex trader for about 16 years, I think. I have a lot of experience. I will share with you a little by little. I will share everything what I know, so you don't need to do again my mistakes in the past. So you will get better learning from my mistakes and grow your skill in trading. Okay, follow this video until the end. Do you want to prepare money for your retirement in the future? Maybe you are now at age around 30 or 40 years old. You start thinking someday in 20 years later or 30 years later, you will get very old and you don't want to work anymore. So I think you should better to start saving money from now, so you can use your saving money when you get retired in the future. Start saving money from now, because the longer time you prepare, the bigger your money will be. I will explain to you after this what I mean by this. Oh, once again, maybe you are now very young. Maybe you are 20 years old or below 30 years old. But you have to realize that someday when you get older, very old, like 70 years old or 80 years old above, then you're physically and mentally you will get weaker and weaker. So you cannot productive anymore. You cannot do a lot of work that young people can do. You cannot do that anymore. So you need to prepare enough money so you can spend those money in your older days. Okay, let's move on. Several options you can choose to make your saving money grow. The first one is the bank saving account. If you save money in bank, you will get interest. That is annual percentage yield around 4% to 5%. You can also try use, sorry, maybe I will move this. Okay. You can try also bonds like US Treasuries or UK government bonds. You will get also around 4% per year. If you use this kind of saving, yes, you can make your money grow, but you cannot control how your money grows. The better option is by trading Forex or gold. Maybe you will start thinking, what you say Forex gold is better? But I think Forex and gold is very high risk. Is that true? Is it high risk or low risk? My answer to you is it depends what kind of trader you are. If you are a high risk trader, then this is very dangerous. But if you are a low risk trader, this is very good option to make your money grow. I will explain to you after this. Okay, let's see this. Let's say right now you have 10,000 US dollar and you want to use it as a deposit, and let's say you can profit 1% per month. So after 1 month, your money will become 10,000 and 10,100 US dollar. And after 1 year, your money will become 11,200 US dollar. After 5 years, it will become 18,167. After 10 years, your money will become 33,000 US dollar. And after 20 years, your money will be 100,000 US dollar. Wow, this is amazing, right? If you put your money, saving money in banks or bonds, you will not get this result. Or maybe you think the opposite. Oh, this is too small for me. I want bigger result. Yes, you can achieve that also. So let's see this. Right now, let's say you deposit 10,000 US dollar and you can get profit 2% per month. After 1 month, your money will be 10,200. After 1 year, 12,600 US dollar. After 5 years, it will be 32,800. After 10 years, your money will be 107,000 US dollar. And after 20 years, your money will become 1,158,000 US dollar. Wow, this is so fantastic, right? Compare with the slide before. See, with 1% you can get after 30 years 100 US dollar, 100,000. But with 2% only, you can get 1,158,000. How can I get bigger than this? Of course you can do. Let's see this. The deposit right now is 10,000. Let's say you can profit 3% per month. After 1 month, your money will become 10,300 US dollar. After 1 year, 14,200 US dollar. After 5 years, 58,000. After 10 years, 347,000. After 20 years, your money will become 12,048,000 US dollar. Wow, this is so fantastic, right? Just imagine, when you grow your money with very diligent and carefully, with low risk, you can get 12 million US dollar. And I will tell you how to do that. You just follow all of my YouTube videos. I will share with you a very low risk trading strategy that you can apply your daily trading system. You just follow all of my videos. You will get there. How to do it? I am a beginner. Can I do it? Many traders are trapped in high risk mode. Why? because they want fantastic profit in a short time. They don't have patience. They don't want to learn the process. They want instant and quick good result. They don't know how to trade correctly. They don't understand the market movement behavior. They risk too much. They don't understand risk management. They don't know where to start. And they are too lazy to practice. If you are one of these traders, then you should change. You should change your mind, you should change how you trade, and you should change how is your behavior, your trading psychology, and etc. And what should I do? What you can do right now is start with target profit 1% per month. Maybe it seems very small, right? But trust me, if you do the low risk mode, you will grow your money very, very fast. So don't be in a hurry about the results. You don't have to achieve your goal this month. This way, you can relax more, enjoy the process, and know that someday you will get there. As your skills improve day by day, sooner or later, you will get better. The process will not betray you. Your result will grow along with your skills. What I mean by that is, right now, your trading target profit only 1% per month. After you master this, and you get better in your trading skills, you will get more result. You can get it 2% per month or 3% per month. It is very, very possible. But you don't have to start with higher profit. We start with very, very small, 1% per month first, and do it rightly, and you will get there, trust me. We will help you improve your trading. Through this YouTube channel, we will share with you everything you need to know to become a profitable trader. With 16 years experience in trading, we will share in the future videos how to choose good forex pairs to trade, how to trade in a trending market, how to trade in a sideways market, simple trading strategies, candlestick secrets, how to choose and use technical indicators, risk management, trading psychology, etc. Many more to come. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share this video to the others. You can leave comments if you have any request video. We will cover them in the future. If you want shortcut, you don't want to wait too long, the fastest way to learn trading is by visiting our website. This is our website. You can visit our website and you can join our masterclass course. And you can also contact us. This is our WhatsApp number and this is our email. If you want to collaborate or you want to make sponsor or anything you need, you can just email us. Okay then, see you in the next video. Are you ready to learn more how to trade in low risk? Let's go, traders. Let's move on. Let's get better in trade and wish you all the best.